strong, smart. I'm not a victim to my detriment. I guess there was a lot of shame attached to that.
Amber Heard is desperately trying to track down Johnny Depp's lawyer so she can serve him with a subpoena that would require him to testify under oath in the former couple's ongoing $50 million defamation battle. Amber Heard lawyers leaked information to Johnny Depp. The 34-year-old Aquaman star believes her ex-husband's longtime attorney Adam Waldman linked private information and stories that were anti-Amber to tabloids in an effort to discredit her domestic violence allegations against Depp.
With someone you love, it's not as straightforward. If a stranger did this, as it was pointed out to me, if a stranger did this, it would be...
In the explosive subpoena obtained by Radar through Hollywood fixer Paul Barassi, Heard lists 3 articles in particular that she believes were given to Daily Mail by Waldman in order to smear and ruin her career. Here's the kicker: she also believes Depp gave his lawyer the thumbs up to do so. The examples of headlines listed in the subpoena are highlighted as exhibits F, G, and H and read: Amber Heard's sexual violence evidence against Johnny Depp will be kept secret, and his libel claim against the Sun despite him arguing claims should be made public. Exclusive: I need to report an assault. Listen to 911 call made the night Johnny Depp and Amber Heard had blowout fight that ended their toxic 18-month marriage, but both claim tape backs up their version of events. Me Too activist Amanda de Cadenet dropped support for close friend Amber Heard and will no longer testify after listening to her verbally abusing Johnny Depp in bombshell tapes, as she feels used and misled by actress. It's worth noting that Waldman was removed from the case in October 2020, which makes him fair game to give a deposition if handed the subpoena. According to Barassi, Depp's lawyer can handle anything that comes his way. Barassi, who once vetted Waldman while working with Heard, says only God knows what Adam Waldman's deposition will uncover. He also tells Radar, the only incontrovertible fact that I personally know about the man is that he is a formidable adversary. Heard and Depp's $50 million defamation battle seems never-ending. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor first sued his ex-wife for $50 million in 2019 over an op-ed she wrote in the Washington Post where she claimed to be a survivor of domestic violence. Heard's attempt to grill Depp's lawyer comes on new alleged evidence including LAPD body cam footage that has been discovered. Johnny believes the footage plus one new police deposition proves the claims Amber made about their 2016 blowout fight are not accurate. Waldman was quick to shut down Heard's allegations to Daily Mail, telling the outlet, Amber Heard and her friends described a chaotic, messy crime scene, but the newly released LAPD bodycam videos unambiguously show that the penthouse was utterly undamaged and that their testimony was once more grandiose lie. Former couple Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's legal battles continue as Depp accuses his former wife Heard of perjury. According to a report by Radar, the two actors were at court hearing over the massive lawsuit filed by Depp against Heard for lying about donating $7 million USD to charity and for spoiling his reputation by accusing him of sexual violence and a tabloid. The court hearing took place in Virginia. During the court hearing, Amber Heard's lawyer asked the court to dismiss the case made by Depp about his reputation being tarnished. The lawyers even asked to stay the discovery in the case, including the arguments made in the UK court case. Heard's lawyers said that the arguments made during the case would allow the ongoing Virginia case to dismiss, as the tabloid had the right to publish the word wife-beater for Depp. Heard further said that she had the right to use the word in her article. For the unversed, earlier this year, Depp has sued the Washington Post for calling him a wife-beater in one of their articles, which was written by Amber Heard. During the hearing, the court favored the tabloid since Depp has been proven guilty in 12 of the 14 allegations made against him by Heard. To this, Depp's lawyer argued that the UK case and Virginia case were different. According to them, since Heard was not a party to that case, and since issues made for both the cases were different, the two cases should not be mixed. The attorney went on to point out that Heard's claim suggesting she had donated Depp's $7 million USD alimony to the ACLU were false. Heard has been sued for $50 million for defaming Johnny Depp and costing him many roles. Depp's lawyer said that it was a wrong judgment passed by the UK court since they did not know the entire truth. They said that the court did not have any way to verify the information, while the appellate court did. The hearing ended with the justice siding with Amber Heard's motion but called it futile. The lawyers also mentioned that both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp had spent millions on the case, calling it a mind-boggling amount. They said the more discovery motions are expected, while currently 6 discovery motions are still queued up. They admitted that 20 experts would be involved in the matter and that several more court hearings are to be expected. Hollywood actor Johnny Depp has had a rather colorful love life and has dated numerous women in the past years. Every relationship must have brought him different experiences, but nothing like the court battle that resulted from Johnny Depp's marriage with Amber Heard. There have been some developments in the story recently, so let us take a closer look at this couple and the timeline of events that led them to a $50 million defamation lawsuit. Only a year after their marriage in May of 2016, Amber Heard filed for divorce and alleged that Depp had physically abused her during the course of their marriage. She also got a restraining order against him and mentioned that he abused her when he was under the influence of alcohol. This happened the day after Depp allegedly violently broke bottles of champagne in their LA house and threw a phone at Amber's face. After Amber Heard's divorce, she wrote an editorial piece in the Washington Post about domestic violence and being a survivor. She also talked about how media and people don't trust the victim in such situations. This resulted in Johnny Depp filing for a defamation suit of $50 million against his ex-wife. In April 2018, the executive editor of the UK daily, The Sun, published an op-ed titled "Gone Putty: How Can J.K. Rowling Be Genuinely Happy Casting Wife-Beater Johnny Depp in the New Fantastic Beasts film?" and this resulted in Johnny Depp filing a libel case against The Sun. He lost the libel case, which started in 2020, and had to bow out of the film as well. In 2020, audio recordings of Depp and Heard's conversations were also released where they both admitted to get physical often. Johnny even alleged that Heard punched him, defecated in his bed, and had affairs with Elon Musk and James Franco. Heard denied this and alleged that Depp got physical with her very often and threatened to kill her many times.